Hi guys, once again welcome back to my YouTube channel Inside Organon. Once again I welcome all of you back to this video, which is going to be basically an introduction of the life class that we are having of Materia Medica that has started from 17th March onwards. Friends, we have started a Materia Medica live class in which basically we are going to have rapid revision of entire LN keynotes, including the symptoms of Boericke of those remedies. For example, we have studied the first remedy abrotenum, after which we will be discussing all of the important Boericke symptoms of those remedies, which either have been asked as questions or can be asked as question in your examination. Okay, so this basically is a very great opportunity for you all if you wish to cover the syllabus of AIPGT और आप अपने फाइनल ईयर के एग्जामिनेशन के लिए रैपिड रिवीजन करना चाहते हो एंटायर मटीरिया मेडिका का, because this course is just going to be of 1.5 months, which means we will be completing the entire syllabus by the end of April or the first week of May, and this entire syllabus will be very fruitful for you because आपका LN की notes plus आपका जो बोरिक का syllabus है वो दोनों एक साथ cover हो जाएगा. Okay, here I have few of the important points regarding the contents which are to be covered in this class. So all the remedies of LN keynotes will be covered and their key points from the Boericke, as I've already told you. Then most important, the heart of Materia Medica is the comparative study. So wherever needed, we will be doing comparative study of the symptoms as well, so that it becomes easy for you to understand. Wherever mnemonics are needed, हम mnemonics भी discuss करने वाले हैं. Now for this course, since the course is paid, you will be also getting the recorded lecture of this course. For example, today there was a lecture of the course that was held, so the recording that you will be getting will be valid till 3 days. That means if the course has started from today, the recording will be valid till 3 days. That means tomorrow, day after tomorrow, and after that. And after that the recording will expire. Okay, and जब इस कोर्स का ड्यूरेशन खत्म हो जाता है, which means April, ठीक है, I've told you ना, this will be held till suppose 30th April. तो 30th April से आपको around till 15th May आपके लिए ओपन अपॉर्चुनिटी रहेगी कि आप पूरा सिलेबस अपना रिवाइज करना चाहते हो एक बार, और या फिर अगर आपके लेक्चर्स छूट गए हैं तो आप वो रिवाइज करना चाहते हो, यू कैन डू दैट एज वेल. ओके, वी हैव ऑलरेडी हैड 2 क्लासेस, जिसमें से एक एज डेमो लेक्चर में ऑलरेडी कल परसों शेयर कर चुकी हूँ. आई गेस 1 लेक्चर हैज ऑलरेडी बीन शेयर्ड एंड दैट इज अवेलेबल. अगर आप चाहो तो उसे जाकर देख सकते हो. द क्लासेस आर हेल्ड ऑन जूम ऐप. ओके, क्लासेस जो है वो जूम ऐप पे हेल्ड होती है डेली एट 9 PM. So okay, so daily at 9 PM the classes are held on Zoom app, and this is the WhatsApp number. Okay, 6307556079. This is the WhatsApp number. You can DM me on this number. If this course aligns with you, we will be discussing all the remedies starting from abrotenum till zincum metallica. Now coming to the fee of the course. The fee of the course is rupees 999. Okay, and this was the least that I could keep, because for understanding the entire Materia Medica or to have the rapid revision of entire Materia Medica, there are a lot of courses available and they are very costly. So I thought of keeping this course very cost effective, so that anyone who is interested, anyone who wants to join, can join for this course. Okay, so yeah, that's it about today's session. I hope this video finds you well. अगर आप के फ्रेंड्स हैं, बैचमेट्स हैं, वो भी अगर ये कोर्स ज्वाइन करना चाहते हैं, you can please, it will be very useful for me, share this video in your college group if possible, so that the students with whom this course aligns can join with it. And yeah, I hope to see most of you in the upcoming lectures that are going to be held. Okay, one more point that was left to be told is that daily we are going to discuss approximately 4 remedies. Okay, 4 remedies approximately we are going to discuss, that can include small remedies as well as large remedies of Helen keynotes, and this is how we are going to cover the entire syllabus till 1.5 months. Okay, so if you wish to enroll, today is the last day. You can enroll for the course only today. So if this video finds you well, please do not forget to DM me, because आप जैसे जैसे लेट करते जाओगे लेक्चर्स मिस होते जाएंगे, एंड आपके लिए रिकॉर्डेड लेक्चर्स कवर करना बहुत ज्यादा हेक्टिक हो जाएगा. ठीक है, तो yeah, that's it for today's session. See you all in the classes. Thank you.